Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. I really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And I hope you guys will hit the like button. That really helps me out. So I have another project share, and this is some kits that I created over on Ko-fi coffee shop. These are in my subscription club. I will link the information down below if you're interested. But basically this is a little ephemera wallet that I made, and this shape of the cover is in the kits. So then I added this gold elastic band and this big pink button and what's that called? Baker's twine. So this just slides right off. I did ink all of the edges with vintage photo distress ink. So it just opens like this. And I did do, I lined it with coffee dyed paper, and then I added a piece of collage to the back. And then I have all of these pockets. The pockets are just pieces of craft cardstock, and then I did these little accordion fold, glued them on the sides, and then I attached these pieces of card onto those hinges. So I just have a ton of stuff in here. I have some stamps. Again, these are either in my freebies or in the subscription club kits. These I haven't inked yet or done anything with them. I haven't backed them, but those are the options. I also added some sari silk to the front, and I tore this, maybe you can see it, I tore a piece of coffee dyed paper, put that down. I glued the sari silk on the end, and then I just had like a long strand of sari silk ribbon, and I just bunched it and glued, bunched it and glued. I did that all the way down just to make this cute little ruffle. And then I added these flat back pearls, kind of different colors, little rhinestones here and there. And then this more ephemera. I haven't cut them apart. Like I said, I did add a brad to this tag. Ooh, and I backed it too. That's special. I have some cut aparts. I believe these cut aparts are in the freebie kit over in my Facebook group. So basically, that's what this whole thing is I have all of my ephemera in it that goes in the kits, so that when I'm ready to use them, I can just pull them out and put them in journals or wherever. Tags and some cut aparts. A couple of these I did actually cut out. That one and this one's partially cut out. I wasn't sure if I wanted to like put this on an edge of a page, of course cut this straight, put it on the edge of a page and use it as a tuck, but not fussy cut around all of this. Does that make sense? Just fussy cut the front side or the right side and leave the left side intact, and then use it as a tuck. I think that would be cute. That's why I left it like that. So this wallet didn't take very long to do, actually. Probably can get it done in a day. Here's some more just things from the kits. So anyways, that's it. Isn't it cute? I love it. I have a matching ephemera holder for the projects that I am doing with this kit. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will include information that you may need in the description box. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.